Welcome to the Microsoft Suite series. Today we shall be looking at the Microsoft Office Word parts and their functions. Consider subscribing and enabling a notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded, you get notified. Start with this foremost. This is the save button. Every time you're doing your work, you should always save often because maybe power may go when you have not saved your work and you may lose all your work you have done, and when it comes back you may have to repeat all over the whole places of editing your work. Then this one is the undo button. If you made an error, then this one is the redo button, and all of these three here on the quick access bar. And you can add more options on the quick access toolbar. Maybe you wanted to bring your printer button near, you can also add your printer button here. So after that we have, this is called a title bar. The title of your document will be found here. This is my username, this is the minimize, and this is the maximize, this is the close button. So after that we have the menu, the file menu. You can click on it. This also is used for saving work, opening an existing document. You can also use that to open that. Then after that we have this one's home, insert, all these up to help. These ones are called tabs. These ones are called tabs, and under the tabs you have what you call a ribbon. This one is a ribbon. If you don't want this ribbon to appear here, you may also use this button. I will not talk about it. This is the ribbon options display button, and click on it. Maybe you can say auto hide, so that all the time the ribbons can hide, or you can say show tabs, see only tabs are available up here, or you can always show tabs and ribbon. So this ribbon contains commands. Different commands will be telling Office what to do for you. For example, we have to change your font. You'll come and click here to list the list of fonts that are in the computer. Then you have to change the size. Do you want it bold? This is to make it italics. Do you want to underline it? Do you want to strike through? Do you need a subscript or you need a superscript? This one is used in writing, for example, H2O. This one is used to write maybe 2 to the power 2. Then this one is text effects. Then this is fill, highlighting color. Then this one is font color. For example, you may want your text to be in red or black, so you just choose any color. This one is used to increase the font size. As you see, it is increasing, or this one to reduce. Then this one you can change to uppercase or lowercase. For example, you needed all your work to be in the highlighted work to be in uppercase or lowercase. Then this one is called, here we'll look at alignment. For example, if you want your text to start from the left, you put the left alignment. If you want to start from the center, you put in the center alignment. If you want it to start from the right corner, you put in the right alignment. If you want it to have equal space left between the margins, you can use justify. So equal space will be left here and this on the left margin and on the right margin. This one I used to put for maybe you have points, bullets, so you can use these options. Also these ones, different numbering schemes, they are all here. Then this one is used for text indent. Text indenting means the relative position of text in respect to the margin. For example, you may want, seeing here, are you seeing here? You just notice here. If you want your text, so are you seeing? So I'm moving where I want my text to start from. So if I need my text to start from this way, I'll start from exactly where I set my margins to stop. If I need to increase the place where they start from, I'll also increase my indent. So let us leave it normal. Then this one is the line between the lines. This one is for borders. Maybe you wanted to put a border. Then this one is for theme colors for that particular thing you're doing. Then this one is for sorting. Maybe you wanted to sort from A to Z. Then these ones are for direction of text. Maybe you wanted to come from the left going to the right, or the left going to from the right going to the left. So you would use these options. So these ones are your styles. So you would choose any of this, and to reflect on the work you'll be highlighting here. So find and replace, also used to search through your work. Maybe you wanted to search for a particular name and you had a lot of work, so you just come here and search for it. So that we shall look at the insert tab. When you click on the insert tab, here you can create a cover page for your work, insert a blank page, break a page, insert tables, pictures, insert different shapes, insert smart charts, insert charts like bar graphs, like that. So if you want a smart chart, you would use this option. So, and you see the different smart charts. This one for bar charts, you see X, Y, pie chart, line charts, like that. And you also use this basically to insert headers and footers, insert text boxes, then you insert equations in your work, as you see. After I've looked at that insert, you go to draw. You'll be using your free hand to draw. Some are in is it Office 7? This may be in the insert. So design, you look at the themes you want to apply to your document, how to put a watermark. So all of them, you'll find them in theme, in a design. Put a watermark, put page borders, you'll find it in design. Then layout will set your margins, how this distance from here to here or from here to here, those are the margins. Orientation is the position of the paper, either you want it landscape or portrait. Then paper size, depending on the printer you have, maybe you may be having an A3 printer, so you change your paper size to A3. Columns, maybe you may want to divide your text into 2 columns. You'd also use this option to divide your text into columns. Then here you'd also, maybe if you wanted to put numbers for, just if you're given special numbers for text indenting, you edit this text indenting here and put the number you're given, as you see. So that's the normal. This is the line before, for example, writing, the spaces between the lines that you want to be left. So that's what we shall be looking under the layout. Then under references, we shall look at inserting endnotes, next footnotes. Then mailings, we shall see how to add mail, how to make mail merge, use one letter and send it to many recipients without having to make a copy each, but use one and use mail merge to make the different mails. This is review, this is view. View will have read mode, print mode, website mode, web layout, outline. So zoom, ruler. So for example, these are rulers. This is the horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. So this is for help. In case you are stuck, you can use this to help you find help. So this is the working area and this is the cursor where you see that bar blinking, that's coming and going, that's cursor. Then under this way you have the status bar is this one, and this one's the view options. Maybe you want reading mode, you need print mode. Then this is the zoom control, you can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Then this is the vertical scroll bar, so this one you use to scroll through your work.